Welcome to AI Eats and Treats, where we delve into the captivating realm of artificial intelligence and its transformative impact on culinary exploration. Today, we're exploring how AI revolutionizes cooking, from recipe creation to meal preparation and beyond. Join us on this journey and don't forget to subscribe to AI Eats and Treats channel, like this video, share this video to your friends, and also share your thoughts in the comments below. First, let's understand what AI, or artificial intelligence, actually is. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. In the kitchen, AI analyzes data, learns from it, and makes decisions to optimize our cooking processes. AI brings numerous benefits to cooking. It can enhance recipe creation, suggest personalized meal plans, and provide precision in cooking techniques. Imagine an AI system that generates a recipe based on the ingredients you have, or a smart oven that adjusts its settings automatically for perfect results every time. Let's take a look at some AI tools and gadgets for our home kitchens. We have smart ovens and refrigerators that can adjust cooking settings and provide food management suggestions. And how about cooking robots that assist with chopping, mixing, and even cooking? Next up, AI-powered recipe generators and assistants. These tools analyze vast databases of recipes to suggest innovative dishes based on your preferences and available ingredients. Plus, voice-controlled AI assistants can provide hands-free guidance, answering your cooking questions in real time. AI also drives innovations in cooking techniques. For instance, food recognition apps can identify ingredients through image recognition technology, helping you track your food intake and plan meals. AI can also analyze nutritional content and suggest recipes that align with your dietary needs. Before we continue, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If no, please do right away to get more amazing cooking tips and enlightenment. Let's continue. Predictive algorithms in AI can predict cooking times and adjust temperatures dynamically, ensuring consistent culinary excellence. And with flavor profiling, AI can analyze your taste preferences and refine recipes to suit your palate over time. Now let's talk about AI and culinary creativity. AI encourages experimentation by suggesting unconventional ingredient combinations and techniques. Chefs and home cooks can explore new flavors and cultural fusions with AI-generated recipes. Interactive cooking experiences are also enhanced with AI. Virtual cooking classes offer real-time feedback and personalized recommendations from virtual chefs, and collaborating with fellow food enthusiasts through AI platforms enhances learning and sharing. Looking ahead, the future of AI in the kitchen is even more exciting. Imagine robotic chefs performing complex cooking tasks with precision and efficiency. Augmented reality applications could overlay cooking instructions and tips onto your kitchen environment, making cooking even more intuitive. As we conclude our exploration of AI technology in the kitchen, it's clear that AI is not just a tool, but a catalyst for culinary innovation and efficiency. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, embracing AI can elevate your cooking experience, offering new possibilities for creativity and convenience. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of food technology. Remember to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned to AI Eats Treats for more exciting insights and culinary adventures. Happy cooking!